May mga several stages yung business no? Pwedeng basic lang tayo ha. Pwedeng ang stage 1 is just starting the business. And for you to actually start, you have to be responsible. You have to be mindful. Anong negosyo yung sisimulan mo? Magkano yung budget mo? Ano yung skills na meron ka? Ano lang yung kaya mo? And of course, you have to survive the business. Ito yung survival mode. Hindi ka makabayad ng renta, o baka wala ka pang office, hindi ka makapagpasweldo, o baka kahit sarili mo, hindi mo mapasweldo. Kailangan at some point, mag-break even ka. Pag nakaka-survive ka na, this is the time to have profits. Dapat kumikita ka na ng konti. Siyempre, kailangan mo na magdagdag ng employees. So this is where you expand. As you expand, of course, you have to systematize everything. Kasi habang dumadami yung employees mo, kailangan mo mag-build ng sistema. So basically, in all the steps, in all the stages, you have to be responsible. You have to be mindful. At napansin ko, yung mga magagaling na negosyante, hindi lang sila basta mindful sa buong sistema. Every single day, they are mindful. Mindful sila, responsable sila kung okay pa ba yung stocks nila. Alam nila yung dapat at hindi dapat. And that is excellence. Hindi ka lang basta excellent sa office. Excellent ka every single day.